Hi children, our next chapter is non-flowering plants. Most of the plants reproduce with the help of flowers, but there are many types of plants that do not have flowers. Some are very tiny. You can see them only through a microscope. Microscope has lenses. It makes things look much bigger than they really are. Algae. They live in water. Some of them form a slimy green layer over the ponds, pools, and drains. Some float in ponds like thin green ribbons. Their size vary. Some may be so tiny. You can see them only through a microscope. Other type of algae called seaweeds can grow almost as tall as a tree. Algae have chlorophyll. Therefore, they can make their own food with carbon dioxide and water. We know that we and other animals depend on land plants for food. In the case of animals living in water, they depend on algae and other water plants for food. Algae reproduce by two ways. Some break into two, while others produce spores. New plants grow from spores. Spores are not seeds. Why? They do not grow from flowers. Fungi. Molds growing on rotting fruits, stale bread, cheese, and other food. All these are fungi. Another example for fungi is mushroom. We can eat mushrooms, but you should never eat mushrooms growing in parks and other places because some mushrooms are very poisonous. Unlike algae, fungi do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their food. The stuff on which they grow becomes their food. They digest that stuff with the help of digestive juices. This stuff may be food, leather, fallen logs, twigs, leaves, dung, or simply anything that comes from plants and animals. Now let's discuss what happens to the digested stuff. Fungi absorb a part of it. The rest mix with the soil. This is very helpful. It gets rid of waste. We know that food waste mixes with the soil after some time. This is due to the action of fungi. They digest the waste, so fungi are useful too. Moreover, it makes the soil fertile. The soil which is good for the growth of plants is a fertile soil. Fungi reproduce with the help of spores. These spores fly around in the air. When these spores land on something that they can use as food, they grow into new plants. Have a nice day. Thank you.